Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize receipts on Square step by step. This allows you to add your business name, logo, contact details, and personalized messages to the receipts your customers receive. Let's get started. Square allows businesses to create customized receipts that are automatically sent to customers after a payment is completed. Here's how to customize them. Step 1. Log into your Square dashboard. First, open your web browser and go to the Square dashboard. Sign in using your Square account credentials. Step 2. Go to Account and Settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for Settings. Click Account and Settings from the menu. Step 3. Open the Receipts section. In the Settings menu, find the Receipts option. Click on it to open the receipt customization page. Step 4. Add your business logo. In the receipt settings, you will see the option to upload a business logo. Click Upload Logo and select an image file from your computer. This logo will appear at the top of customer receipts. Step 5. Customize business information. You can edit details such as business name, business address, phone number, website. These details will automatically appear on all receipts. Step 6. Add a custom message. Square also allows you to include a message at the bottom of receipts. For example, thank you for your purchase. Visit us again soon. Enter the message you want your customers to see. Step 7. Save your changes. After customizing everything, click Save. Your new receipt design will now be used for future transactions. Important tip. You can also preview how the receipt looks before saving, which helps ensure everything appears correctly for customers. And that's it. That's how you customize receipts on Square step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical business and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.